Filter 1. A top-tier manufacturer of NFPA-compliant wet dust collection equipment has manufactured this Hydrotron Mark II HPB wet dust booth, with special considerations for the manufacturing processes in place at Fairbanks Morse. The booth is intended to collect combustible dust in a safe manner that does not impede the manufacturing process. The goal is to provide a safe work environment focused on allowing the worker to effortlessly go about his procedures. The booth is designed with a ProLogic controller, which controls the fans and water levels in the collectors and makes the unit NFPA compliant by allowing for high and low water shutoffs, and contacts that will only power workers' equipment when unit is running properly. The ergonomically designed panel with an easy on-off button makes it simple to put the booth into operation. The Magna Helix gauge helps the worker easily see that the unit is running at the correct pressure. This particular booth is built with removable downdraft tables that are connected to the suction side of the wet dust collectors. As seen, the parts can be placed on the tables with the suction drawing the combustible dust straight into the water filter section. The capture velocities demonstrated by using the chalk rock are measured above 400 feet per minute as you see the dust automatically whisked away into the collector. These velocities are at such high levels due to the regain error feature utilized in all Filter 1 designed dust booths. This booth has a footprint that allows up to 3 workers at a time and is set up where the dust is removed without any measurable amount entering into the worker's breathing zone. Whether it is heavy sparking material or NFPA classified combustible material, the collector will safely collect the particulate as it is filtered directly into the water filter system. Filter 1 is a leader in custom design, creating special features that help the customer ergonomically continue through their manufacturing process without the collection of dust impeding the process. This booth is designed with easy removable downdraft tables. The tables can be taken out of the booth for parts that are larger or need to be wheeled in on a separate apparatus. The booth is also designed with no roof and swinging regain pendulums to enable a forklift or other lifting device to place large parts inside of the booth. The pendulums are designed to be moved back and forth without any difficulty. This booth is also designed with a vent fan featured to meet NFPA guidelines for magnesium dust collection. The fan will run for a set period of time once the unit is shut off to release any gas buildup in the tank.